Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I only gonna answer the questions of the student who asked me that what would happen if their passport expires before the postgraduate work permit entire time period. So basically, I'm gonna take this scenario for that so that you guys all gonna understand how it's gonna work out for you guys. So let's suppose you finish your postgraduate study for 2 years, and now you have to apply for the postgraduate work permit for 3 years, but your passport expiring in the next 1 year. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna explain to you right here on. So first of all, I'm telling you that this is the official website of IRCC, as you can see that. So I'm gonna take this scenario. So again, that I said that if you have 1 year left on your passport, what you're gonna do? So you're gonna still apply for your postgraduate work permit, but you only gonna get the work permit for 1 year on that passport, and then you have to apply for the new passport, and the remaining 2 years you're gonna get on your new passport. So basically it says here your work permit will only be issued for the period your passport is valid, right? If your passport expires before the full duration of your eligibility, you can apply to extend your Pgwp, postgraduate work permit. So for that, you have to apply for the extension. You have to do to extend your postgraduate work permit. You must apply on paper after you get a new passport. Like we took the scenario that whenever you get your new passport, and you will get the remaining 2 years, right? So same in this, it says here, so whenever you get your new passport, you will get the remaining portion of your postgraduate work permit on your new passport. And guys, I'm gonna make a video on that, how you're gonna apply for the extension of the postgraduate work permit. And yeah, so for now this is all in this video, but if you want to know how we can apply for the postgraduate work permit extension on paper, mean to say, or do the paper application, watch my new video. I'm gonna post shortly that video. Thanks guys, that's all for this, and make sure please subscribe my new channel and stay tuned with me.